In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where media is not available on X, formerly known as Twitter. This is a really common problem, and the good news is that in many cases, it can be fixed in just a couple of minutes. Usually, the issue comes down to content settings or browser data, so we'll walk through both of those fixes step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open X and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look in the top corner for your profile icon. Click on it to open the main menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account and display options that can affect what media you see. Next, go into Privacy and Safety. Inside that menu, look for Content You See. This section controls what kind of posts, images, and media are shown to you on the platform. When you open it, you should see an option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. If this box is not checked, X may hide certain images or videos and show the message that the media is not available. Go ahead and check that box to allow sensitive media to display. Once you enable it, go back and refresh the page, or reopen the post you were trying to view. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem and make the media appear normally. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is clear your browser data. Sometimes old cookies or cached files can interfere with how X loads media. To do this, open your browser settings. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser, the steps are very similar. Find the Privacy or Browsing Data section, then clear your cookies and cached images and files. Make sure you remove at least cookies and cache, because those are the most common causes of loading issues on X. After clearing them, close the browser completely and open it again. Then go back to X and check the media post one more time. A fresh session often solves the problem right away. If needed, you can also try signing out and signing back in after clearing the browser data. That can help refresh your account settings and force X to reload everything properly. In most cases, though, enabling sensitive media and clearing cookies and cache will fix the issue. So, just to quickly recap, first go to your profile icon, then open Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Content You See, and enable display media that may contain sensitive content. After that, go into your browser settings and clear your cookies and cached images. Those two steps should solve the media unavailable issue on X or Twitter for most users. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.